Alright YouTubers, today we got a 2022 Corolla. We're going to do the oil change reset. We're going to use this little back arrow and these directional buttons. Hit that back arrow, lights up that screen. You can use those directional buttons to move over to that gear and start pushing the down button arrows here. And we're going to pick vehicle settings. I'll hold down the OK button, and then it goes down button here to schedule maintenance. We're gonna hold the OK button. It's gonna ask you reset this data. Do you want to reset it? Yeah, that's what we're doing, and you're done. One reset. You can also do your tire pressure sensor recalibration here, which is nice to know. And we're good with that. You guys have a good day. Hey, give us a click shout.